Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Thursday, February 2nd. This is going to be a quick update off to the MAC Outlook conference here this morning. And we got a cold front that went through and brought us some snow showers here the last 24 hours. That's off to the east. We got a chance for some light snow as we get into Saturday night and Sunday. Still debatable, but it looks like some areas around and north of Lansing could pick up an inch or two into Sunday morning. And then we're going to keep a real close eye on a potential major winter storm for early next week. Could start as early as Monday night. I think the best bet right now, based on the models, is we'd see a pretty good area of snow move into the area for Monday night into early Tuesday. Then we could change to freezing rain or rain. And then we could see even some thunderstorms, again, depending on where that low tracks. And then we'd switch back to snow and then become quite cold as we get into Wednesday through the rest of the week with snow showers behind that storm. Again, if we look at the normal highs of the day, normal high is 28, the normal low is 11, with the record low 25 below zero back in 1959 for the second day in a row. And if we look at the conditions around the area this morning, temperatures mainly in the mid-teens to low 20s, so a chilly start out there this morning. And if we look at the satellite view, you can see the big storm that's going to give us that potential major winter storm as we get into next week. And eventually will spawn and develop a low pressure system off into the south central plains, and that'll move to the northeast. And again, many questions as far as where that storm tracks. Out there this morning on radar, you can see the lake effect across Lake Erie, Lake Ontario, and across especially the eastern portions of the lakeshore areas near Lake Superior. And if we look at the forecast map for this morning, we got some energy off to the west. Another cold front be coming through the area. And again, that could touch off some snow showers. As we look at the weather map for Friday morning, high pressure system dominating much of the center of the U.S. with some lake effect snows downwind of the Great Lakes. And then the energy beginning to really build off to the west. That first system will kick out and bring us a chance of some light snow as we get into Saturday across much of the area. It won't be anything heavy, but especially for Saturday night and Sunday, again, maybe a little dusting to maybe an inch or so. And then if we look at the forecast map as we get into Wednesday morning, this should be Wednesday morning, not Monday morning, but you can see we had forecasted with a low to develop in the central plains. And would move someplace between these two solid lines. We could probably shift these lines just a hair south, but right now it has the low pressure system over southern or central Lake Huron. And again, depending on the track of that storm, tracks a little farther south, we could see a significant snowstorm and a blizzard for much of the state of Michigan. And if it goes a little farther north, we could get rain and thunderstorms. Right now, as it is, I think we have snow, then the rain, and then back to snow. And it could be pretty significant as far as accumulations as well. You can see the forecasted precipitation over the next 7 days has increased, and I think we'll continue to see more and more quantitative precipitation paired out by the models here as we get closer to the event. Right now it shows about a half to 3/4 of an inch of precipitation across much of the MAC area. And now as far as freezing rain goes, both the European and the US models indicate that we could see a pretty good icing event as well. So it could be a whole mixed bag of precipitation. We'll keep an eye on that. Again, tracks further south we get more snow, tracks further north we get more rain. And if we look at Weather Watch this morning, just a few lake effect snow advisories across the Lake Superior regions and downwind on the eastern end of Lake Ontario as well. Thanks for stopping by and have yourself a great day, and 73s to all.